Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Map Machine, and today we are diving into one of the most unique and underrated coasters in Orlando, Florida. Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit at Universal Studios, Florida. It's fast, loud, flashy, and sadly it's leaving us soon. That's right, Universal officially announced that Rip Ride Rockit will be closing for good in September 2025. And with that countdown to its final ride ticking, I want to give this coaster a proper send-off it deserves. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying it made an impact. Let's start with the basics. Rip Ride Rockit opened in 2009 and immediately turned ahead with its massive 167-foot vertical lift hill, LED track lighting, and properly its most famous feature, onboard audio selection. From classic rock to hip hop to hidden Easter eggs, you could choose your own soundtrack and vibe out as you race through the Universal skyline. The layout includes some wild elements, like the non-inverting loop, the turbo and cliff turn, and some shared transitions that throws you around more than you expect. And while the ride doesn't go upside down, don't let that fool you. This thing packs a punch. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, it's not the smoothest coaster out there. Depending on where you sit and the day you ride, it can range from decently intense to straight up janky. But for a ride that was trying something totally different when it opened, that's the perfect charm. I generally believe Rip Ride Rockit is one of the most underrated roller coasters in Florida. It's not perfect, but it's bold. It gives us something new, custom music, visual flares, tower and lift hill that you could see from the parking garage. I had some amazing rides on this thing, especially at night when the lights are glowing and the city style music is blasting in your ears. It's not everyone's favorite, but for me, it's always been a must-do on every Universal visit. And with its upcoming closure in September 2025, it really feels like the end of an era. Universal is clearly making room for something new, but I'll definitely miss the quirky, adrenaline-pumping ride. So what are your thoughts on Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit? Do you love the music gimmick, or were you the rough transition a deal breaker for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you're planning to give it one last ride for good before close. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more theme park content, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates from the park. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Rock on!